You're sending us your questions, and they are great ones. You're sending them on Facebook, on Twitter, HLNTV.com. I want to bring back in our legal experts, Monica Lindstrom, Joey Jackson, to get some answers. So let's fire away here, guys. Debbie says, why did the judge allow Jodi to do all those interviews? Monica, you're an Arizona attorney. Why would the judge do that, especially when she put that gag order down?
That is a really great question, because why did she put the gag order on in the first place? She put it on there to protect the integrity of what was going on. She put it on there so the defense attorneys could do their job without their client causing problems. She put it on there so that the jury could not be swayed with anything more in the media. Because if they knew that Jodi was talking, they would be more likely to listen to her than the rest of us that are on TV. So there was a lot of reasons why the judge put the gag order in place in the first place. Why did she lift it? The only thing I can think of, Ryan, is she thought that it was over and that there would be no harm in Jodi speaking. Why else would she lift it? People try to argue, well, she's got a First Amendment right to speak. Yes, she does have a First Amendment right to speak, but she also has a right to a fair trial. And we have to, as the justice system, protect her from screwing up her trial.
Protect her from herself. How about that?
She's got a right to remain silent. Why not use it?
She doesn't want to use that right, Joey. That's the right she doesn't need, at least in her mind. Now, Cheryl has got a question. She wants to know, did Jodi or her family get paid for any of those interviews? I hope she didn't get a dime. What do you think? Think they got paid?
As you know, that's not information readily available to us, but the media doesn't usually pay for interviews anyway. They may pay you for a picture that you provide or something that's connected to the interview, but in terms of whether she got paid, we just don't know. Generally, the media will not pay because it impairs the integrity of the actual interview.
Okay, now Allie asked this really interesting question. She said, could Jodi be doing these interviews to poison a new jury pool in case this jury can't reach a decision? We were just talking about that. Joey, is she that diabolical that that's the thought process?
It's so interesting, Ryan, because this is what you brought up earlier, right? But you have to think about this. If you're talking about poisoning a future jury pool, is it really working? Is what she's saying compelling enough and riveting enough and connecting with a new jury such that they'll say, really? She doesn't deserve death. If anything, it's hurting her. So if that is her play and that's what she's trying to do, I think she's doing a miserable job in succeeding.
I know. It's like you're trying to overthink it so much, and I can't see how it works out for you. Joey, Monica, thank you so much.